Hey YouTube, I just got Mac OS 10.6 Snow Leopard. I'm going to do an unboxing. And here's the box, just got in the mail today. Alright, so... Leopard. Yes, a Snow Leopard. So here's the box. That. Backing some information about it. It's the side. It's got like some wrap on it, it looks like. Yes, that would probably work. Yeah. Okay. Alright. This opens up like that on top.
You want me to film this?
Alright, and then this is designed by Apple in California. This slides out with the CD or DVD. Then this with a few kind of like thing that comes with the iPhone, the fingertips type thing. Alright. And then it comes with Apple stickers, the bigger type, and your warranty. And now the next part of the video is going to be installing it. Alright, now we're going to put the installation DVD into the...
In this way?
Yep. Alright. Nothing's happening right now.
Starting to.
Now it's making some noises. Alright, there's something right up there. We'll pull that to the center of the screen and zoom in a little bit on it. Alright, I'm going to drag the disc, or I'm just going to click on it. Alright. Continue. I agree. And install.
Is that your iTunes password?
No. My mom wouldn't use it. And plus you wouldn't remember the number anyways.
It's like 41.
No.
That's all I saw.
Alright, so we'll start this video up when it's done installing, and it's going to take about an hour, 45 minutes to about an hour. And the previous Leopard took about 2 hours to download that I've heard. And that's it, and we'll get back to you in about an hour. Okay, something's happening. It's turning back on. Alright, something else is happening now. Hey, it's got some... So the background looks different than Leopard a little bit. This type of stuff's a little bit different.
It is.
Okay, my thing just came up in the right hand corner, my Mac OS installer. I thought I would just show the last minute, which I've said about 8 times, because it's like frozen on this. There! Oh! It's done!
Yeah!
I think it is. Now the screen's going all blurry. There you go, it's focused. Alright, maybe I need to click on something. Oh! It's a restart, so let's zoom in on this.
Okay.
Install successful. Let's restart. This computer is restarting, is what it says. With big check mark. Okay. So the background's sort of different. Not too much, but a little bit. It's called Call Your Mama.
I called your mom.
Oh, I love this.
I hate it!
Noise. Because I'm a Windows hater. And if Nick's out there listening to this video, yeah, I hate Windows, Nick.
There was someone that said everything Apple sucks.
What, Austin, honestly?
No. Oh, what up, Josh Lamb? / Clay Sowers. That lives in Lakewood, Virginia. Someone does.
Alright. Boom, boom, bang.
Oh, I'm playing Call of Duty, gonna kill some zombies.
Call of Duty 5.
No, 4.
No, 5.
It's 4.
What's that?
Nice.
Oh, here we go.
Ooh, it's blue.
It's kind of like the blue screen. Oh, here we go.
Is this it?
So, guest. No.
Wait, is this the right one?
Huh? No. It's Call of Duty 4.
Crap! Why won't this turn off?
It's not supposed to.
It's supposed to.
You hold it down and then it restarts.
Look. Oh. What?
Alright, so my backgrounds came back up with the spinning circle of doom. That's what our
Circle of Doomy.
computer teacher said.
That's what your computer said?
Yep.
Cool.
Mr. Moran.
That lives in Virginia?
Okay, so let's see what's new so far. Pretty much we have this thing, this setup assistant, which I'm going to click on right now. Okay, so waiting on this. I believe it's going to play a video. Here we go.
Whoa!
This is the video that plays the beginning of regular Leopard.
Thank you!
Alright, and that is the installation of Leopard.
Leopard!
So, thank you.
Goodbye.